Hello, this is part 4, I think. And Uncle Steve over here wants to know, what's a hi-hat? Am I in the picture? I don't know. You guys there? So who wants to tell Steve what a hi-hat is?
Raise your hand.
Okay, let's put this together and we can see what a hi-hat is. All right, what's the history of the hi-hat? I think it's started in jazz or something. Because, you know, a couple hundred years ago, like in a symphony orchestra, you got drum and you got a cymbal guy, but like one guy did one. And they say, well, I mean, one guy did the cymbals, another guy did the timpani, but in jazz and later rock music, they wanted just one guy to do them all at the same time. So it's a way for the foot to do the cymbals. Because, you know, your hands are doing one thing and your feet are doing another thing. So this is a hi-hat. Sound like somebody just popped the biscuit over there.
Your dog?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's biscuit. It was funny. We were stopped, I think, in Longview, plugging in, and the guy pulled up in a F-150 Lightning, right? Mm-hmm. The dog came out, and he goes, "Oh yeah, here's our dog Biscuit." I said, "Wait, our dog is Biscuit," and we're all like laughing.
Where did the name come from?
Well, that book,
idea.
the book, right?
Oh, okay.
This is the name of the dog in the book.
Oh, okay.
But
Kids book?
he has a kid's book. I think that's how he got his name. I don't know. It just sounded good, so we went with it. All right, enough jibber jabber. Let me get this pedal going.
What, are you almost done with the snare?
I'm done with the snare, Harper. But it's not time to play. You can't play it until all the kit's put together, okay? Got to get this whole kit put together here.
You got me a whole drum set?
Got you a whole 5-piece drum kit.
Did you buy
Of course.
He ran out with it. They tackled him.
Stole it from the music store.
it? What? You stole it from the music store?
No, I'm kidding.
Comment if you think he did that. Comment if you think he did that.
I don't know. So like in traditional, again in an orchestra, you'd have two guys with cymbals in both hands. They crash it like this, and they're held on with special like leather strap that insulates the. It allows them to vibrate and make sound. But in an orchestra, you literally have a guy that's all he does is crash cymbals together. So this is the cymbals crashing pedal operated, like I guess I already said. And you know, the cymbal probably goes back a couple. I mean, the hi-hat probably goes back a couple hundred years too. Who knows? Who invented it?
Oh.
Well, actually, I remember now. It started as a low hat. It started as a foot pedal cymbal that you didn't use a stick on, and then they raised it up to a hi-hat and used the sticks on it. So sometimes you could do foot only, sometimes you could do sticks only, but most of the time you do a combination of the foot and the stick. I'll demonstrate it once I get this put together. All rock and pop music has hi-hat. It's like the fundamental part of the percussion, the beat. I guess I have to feed the rod in here. Is that it? You guys ever put one of these together? I haven't, but I'm pretty mechanically. Well, I say I am. I think it just the rod engages, doesn't it? You have to engage the rod. Yeah, see, the rod just engages in here. Easy peasy. You put this down, put it all the way down, and then you put this down. You doing it right? There you go. It's not so hard, is it? Anybody could do this. Tighten it up, and then raise this. Raise it up there. Okay, and then okay, so, oh, did I do it backwards? I better read the manual. Where'd I put it? So, which
I'm trying to say this.
where does the foam go?
Is it Bluetooth?
I have to get through these big giant things.
So what does this thing do?
It smushed the roof a little bit of my car. It got smushed. It's gonna smush it even worse. Wow! 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 Save yourself! No. I was like,
Almost time. Gotta put this hi-hat together, Harper. Hold on, it's not ready. Hold on, it's not ready. So, Steve, see the pedal attaches to this rod, and the inner rod attaches to the upper cymbal.
Cool.
Hi-hat action going on. So it's gonna be, there's a lot of adjustment on this thing. So you gotta get everything dialed in just right. So, there we go. See if this works.
Who's Nirvana's German?
Well, it was Grohl, right? Dave Grohl, Steve Grohl.
Yeah,
Grohl.
What about Red Hot Chili Peppers?
Well, that guy's a big Rush fan. There's what's it? Chad something. Chad. You know. He's a big Peart
I
fan.
love them, but I don't know their musicians.
Yeah, he's a big Peart fan. He likes. So when you press down on the pedal, you have to use your left foot, of course. It's like this. And then when you release the pedal, it's like, but it needs to be further down. So let me bring it. There needs to be just a little bit of a gap. So like that, see it? So it's like, how's that sound, guys?
And the commenters go wild.
There you go. Harper's never had a hi-hat before because his first kit didn't even come with one. And there's a little bit, this thing pushes up on the bottom cymbal, and then there's a tension down here to press down on the
He's never had a hi-hat, but he's had a wedgie.
Okay, well now we gotta put it in position here. So let's grab the whole thing. And it's gonna go over here to the left. Snare gets right there, and then this one goes right here. Okay, look at that, looking like a real kit. And then we gotta put the legs on the floor tom still.
drum roll.
Yeah, drum roll.
Bravo, bravo.
Because I did it look like so here, Harper, stop. Just give me a tap on this one. Give me a no. This one. Tap that one. Just one. Now do this one. Now do that one. Well, that's pretty good. Do the floor tone again. Go da 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 da. Do that again. No. Let me just do it. Listen to this tone. Hold on. Just listen. That's pretty good, except it reverberates.
Yeah.
Dude, what's vibrating?
Something going on in there.
It could be that
Is it that or another one? I think that
Maybe it was
vibrates.
the sand.
Yeah. There you go.
or is it setting it out?
Well, you gotta have a stand to sit on.
Harper, do you know any sticks?
When I was a kid,
The band or drumsticks?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean, we're putting this drum kit together. There you go. Okay, there you have it. The drum kit's put together.
put the snare a little further
Okay.
up. Okay.
Next video.